Hi everyone, welcome back in the second video of this playlist. In this playlist, we are creating a full stack social media application like an YouTube or Instagram, and it will be completely backed up with the front end and back end. So, in today's video, we are going to create a login page. As you can see on the screen, this is an output. So, in next 2 to 3 videos, the output you will get like this animation. If I click on the sign up button, so you will be redirected to sign up a page, and the animation will be really cool. If I can come if I don't have an like I have an account and I can log in here, then there will be a super cool animation. So this we will create and we will achieve this super cool animation in next 2 to 3 videos. The main today target is to create this login page. So without wasting our time, let's get started, and let's jump to the code. Okay guys, so as you can see in previous video, we have done some changes to our Next.js project. So the changes are we have initialized our dark theme and light theme. After that, some like margin and padding completely zero, and a few scroll bar related things. And after that, I have created, like in previous video we have done this like common component folder and common element folder. Okay, so what is today task? So today we will create a login page. So first, what I will do, I will create a folder with the name auth. Okay, auth I will do, and inside auth what I will make again one folder with the name login, and I will hit enter. Now inside this login I will create one file with the name page.jsx. Okay, and one more file for css, that will be page.module.css. Okay, now after this I will create, like I will export here, export default not async function, just only normal function, and function name will be login, and params I will not get here anything, and I will return here a jsx fragment. Okay, and empty jsx fragment. So now if I show you while going like auth slash login. Okay, now if I come here, you will see a completely white screen because we don't have any text, correct? So now what I will show you first, I will create one not h1 tag, and I will show you that we are rendering the same page. Can you see we are entering the same page? So now we will start coding here for our login page. So first we need one div for our output container, like for our whole container, and inside this we are serving two divs. So I have created two divs. After that, inside this div, first one div, basically we have one uh, heading kind of. So I will give its name as I can say basically div itself. Okay, div, and I will say it as a welcome message. Okay, like welcome. After that, here I need input tags like a form inside this one div. So I will create here a form. Okay, and this one form like on submit we will handle. So now the heading will be login, and after that we will have some input tags. So we will use like input field everywhere in our app, correct? So what I will do right now, I will go to common elements, and I will create here one file input.js or jsx. Okay, now I will do here export default function. I'm not getting suggestion. One sec. Okay, export default function. So this will be an input. Params will not be there. Default spelling wrong. Default. Okay. Now I will return from here one JSX fragment, and here will be one input tag, input, and now basically I will make here placeholder. So placeholder I will get from here, placeholder. Okay, and so this will be wrapped like this. Now I'm getting placeholder here. After that I will get here like button submit, but this we are working as an UI, so we will leave that. Now type. Okay, type we will get type also. Type will be like it is text, a number, or something else. So type we will get here. Now currently we will take these two only. Okay, if necessary then we will modify further uses. Okay, so I will do it format document. So I will make it, I will change its name, let star input. Okay, now I will come back here and I will use this input here. Let star, can I get suggestion? It's loading. Okay, I'm getting let star input, so that's great. Now I can wrap this. Okay, now what can I make here? I will make this like a component inside one div, so that I can style this also a little bit. Okay, now I will make here, and I will make here like a placeholder, as I will send here username, username. After that I will send here type, so the type will be our text. Okay, this one we will achieve, so I will copy this and same I will paste it there and enter, paste. Now this will be password, so PASSWORD. Okay, this will be our password. Now after that this will be type, will be also password, so P will be small. Correct. Okay, now this much we are done. Now let's see an screen. If okay, can you see if I type your name, then it is visible as but if I type password, then it is a password. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one button also for this. Okay, as you know, we need a submit button also. So button also we will create a common like common button. So I will come inside element and I will create a one file with the name button.jsx. Okay, BUTTON .jsx, and I will hit enter. I will do instead of wasting time, copy and paste. I will do here, I will paste here. Now I will make here instead of input I will make it button, and this will take a text. Okay, for now it will take text and nothing else. Text, and I will change this to button itself. Okay, one sec, BUTTON, and button will get a text, so this will be text. And styling, currently we are not doing anything, so okay, that's it. And on submit we will not do anything, but the type we will get here, like what can we do, we will get an props. Okay, props dot dot props. Okay, props. So what will be the props, so this will come here. Okay, so basically what it will do, it will initially, like it will say that whatever the prop will come, you can handle that props. Okay, if we are providing any of the attribute, the attribute will come here. Okay, for now this we will do only this, and now we will come back here. Okay, now we will use this button, let star button. So now we will close it. Now we need to send here text will be login. Okay, now after that login, and we need, if we need like type also, so type will be submit. uh, okay, one sec. Okay, type will be submit, submit. Okay, now we need one paragraph. So if you are wondering like why paragraph, so here did you remember, like if you go to any website, then you have an option to forgot the password, correct? So we will make this forgot password. So it will be text forgot password. Okay, now next we will have another one span tag. So span, and inside the span we will make here, like we don't have an account, so we will create an account from here. So don't have an account. Okay, after that we need inside this the paragraph tag. Now if you are wondering like why paragraph tag, so do you remember like we are like creating, like we need to click here to sign up, right? So I will do here sign up here. So if I go here, like go to the screen. Okay, let me make here comma. Okay, if I go to an output, then you can see here like what are there in this screen. Welcome message is there, login is there, and input to input tag and one button. After that forgot password, don't have an account, and sign up. Okay, now this is the text like UI what we want in our screen. Okay, now what we will do, we will start styling this. Okay, so first basically I will like first our main task is to create some stylings. Okay, so I will import the style. So okay, I import style from dot slash page dot module dot css. After that I will provide the class names. Okay, so I will provide here class name. This will be style dot login. Okay, now after that this will be a welcome message, so we will provide this also. So class name we are providing here in form of an backticks. Okay, why backticks, so you will come to know within a few seconds. Okay, okay, now here I will do styles dot well. Okay, uh, now after that this will be a text. Same thing we need, so we will copy paste it here and control V. Okay, but this will be a welcome text, welcometext. Okay, welcome text. After, okay, don't go too much, like too much to this form. Currently we will style this, and after that we will provide some stylings to this. Okay, now do you know how that we have created just now one login class? So we will style this login. So we will say that the display will be flex, and align item will be center. Okay, one we have one welcome container with the class name well, and we will make its background color as brown, or instead of brown, take an example hash c0 or 2e and 43. Okay, let's have this. Okay, it's kind of brown. Okay, now height will be 100 svh. Okay, so that it will look proper, and position will be relative. Z index, sorry, Z index, one sec. Z index will be 10. Okay, after that we need a box shadow also. So okay, first let's have a look to this. If I refresh, it's not that much. Okay, okay, no problem. So currently it is not showing, width is not there. Okay, we will provide an animation. So here I will say box shadow. So box shadow will be RGBA. This will be 0 sorry, 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.55. Okay, that's fine. After that 0 pixel, maybe 0 pixel, and 5 pixel. Okay, that's that much. Now here transition I want to I want for 900 millisecond. Okay, and ease in out, sorry, ease in out. Now we will provide two more things. If I go back here, currently we will say what is it. No, not looking that much cool. So guys, now let's have a few things. Again we will jump to our JSX file, and JSX file. So now we will use here one use state. So const is with the name is navigated, comma set is navigated, is navigated, and we will make here use state as, okay, we have imported successfully. Its default value will be false. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy this, and I will come to here, like, okay, now you will come to know. So guys, do you know like how we are achieving the animations? So the way in this video we are achieving is, when we click on the button, we will change the class name and the animation will happen. Okay, so this is our basic task. So I will paste here, I will paste it here, and I will do style dot styles dot welcome go. Okay, welcome go, and if okay, one sec guys, and if welcome go, like if is navigated tree is false, then I will say style dot welcome. Okay, only just welcome. Okay, this will be our cs like file. Okay, now let it be like this, and I will come to the css part now. I will come here inside quiz.module.css, and I will make here dot welcome class welcome, and I will provide here animation, and animation name will be like width. Okay, just random, it doesn't matter. uh, Whatever you will give here, it will work. Width change, and duration will be 900 millisecond. After that I want it forward. Okay, and same will be for like you do, you know, like welcome go we have provided. Okay, welcome go. Now this will be width, we can say here revert, like when we want that our page should come back to its position. Okay, okay, that I'm providing uh, revert. Okay, 500 millisecond I'm providing. Now for this we need to create a keyframe, so I will provide here at the, okay, one sec, at the rate keyframe, and keyframe name. After that here from, and width, I'm saying that its width should be initially 100 vw, and after that it should go to uh, width will be 50 vw. Okay, vw. Now I want that it's a border should also change. If I currently refresh, it is saying client side. Okay, we will come here, and I will make it as a use client, use client. Okay, if I refresh, then I should see an output. Okay guys, can you see the animation happened? The login text had come from left to right. Okay, now what I will do, okay, now we will do same for this one also. Okay, so now my task is simple. I need to make keyframe for this also. At the rate keyframe, sorry, this will be a keyframe name, but here will be a keyframe. Okay, now here I want from, and to. Now from I want its width to be 50 vw, and it should go to 100 vw. Okay, now if I come back here and refresh, the animation is happening. Okay, but it's not looking that much cool as we want. Okay, so now what we want, guys, let's have a see, let's have a look. Now basically I want to provide here a border radius. First of all, border radius, so I want some styling border radius, like it will go from here to here. Okay, so I will go to browser, and I will write here border, like custom border radius, custom border radius css, and I will open the first website. It doesn't matter, you can open any, by the way. So I will use, like, somehow I will customize it, and I will kept it here. One sec, guys. So I will put it here. Okay, guys, by the way, you can put it like whatever you want. Okay, okay, I want to somehow like this. I will copy this, and I will come here, and I will write here border radius, and I will paste it here. And same I will do for revert also. Now we want to change now, so border radius, sorry, and after that I want here border radius as 0. Why 0? Because here, like here, from also it was, its border radius was 0. Now if I come to my page and refresh, cool, it's refreshing, and it's working perfectly now, but the background color is not coming. Okay, now what I will do, I will inspect, and I will see the why the background color is not coming, by the way. Okay, I will come here, and this is our div. Inside this div, two divs are there, first div and second div. One sec, this is our login, and let me see on my page dot okay, this is my login, this is my perfect, perfect, cool. Okay, well, I'm saying, and welcome text, and well, 100 svh. Okay, maybe here the this one css is not implementing, I feel. Why? Because the well height we have provided here 100 svh, and here if I show you, class name we are getting here as undefined, guys, undefined. So there is something issue. Okay, let's fix it. So we will come here, and we can see here there is some the okay, we have provided here class name as in backtext dollar style dot well, and is navigated. So we are seeing is navigated, and welcome text also it's working, like it's looking fine. Class name also looking fine, but on the UI we are getting it as undefined. Welcome page and undefined, that shouldn't be happen. So guys, what do you feel, what can be an issue? Can anyone let me like can you tell me on the comment box what was the issue here? What do you feel, guys? I'm getting here class name is undefined, this one is undefined. Well, so okay, let's debug together. I'm the issue was I have kept here well as in small and it was in big. Okay, okay, cool. Now we have got the animation even too. So if I refresh just right now, can you see the animation is happening perfectly? Cool. Now we want to the our text. Okay, our text means this one text, welcome text. So I will come here and I will style my welcome text. So I will copy, instead of copy I can write welcome text, and this will be font size I'm keeping here as sorry, font size I'm keeping here as 5 rem, color as white, and margin top 15 vw. Guys, you can adjust these according to your needs. Okay, I'm just keeping as it is. Margin left 10 vw. After that font weight will be as bolder. Okay, and transition, and I will say transition duration will be 19 millisecond, sorry 900 millisecond, and ease and out. Okay, ease and out. Okay, I hope it should look cool. Perfect, perfect, and positions are also perfect. Okay, cool. Now we will, okay, see guys, it's perfect, but we need an animation on this also, correct? Like this will come from left. So for that again we will come to our this one file, and here we will implement the same logic. Like I will copy the this one part, and I will write it here. Okay, so now I will make this as welcome text out, text out, and here it will be text in, text in. Okay, now I will copy this, and I will come back to my css file. I will paste this here, control v, sorry, dot control v, and I will make here animation, animation as a slide out, slide out animation duration will be 900 millisecond. Okay, now what I need to create a keyframe for this. Control c and at the rate control v, and sorry, again mistake, um, keyframe. Okay, now keyframe will be go from and to. Now I want that margin left, here margin left will be minus 50 vw, and here margin will be default. So default margin was our 10 vw. If I show here, can you see in this line margin left 10 vw? So we are keeping it same. I will format it, and I will make for is in all for in also. Okay, this one was for in, now this is for out, and let's change for this also. This is for in, and I will copy this, copy, paste, and this will be for out, and the margin we will make it like we will make it opposite, just it is okay. Now here minus 50. Okay, now we will come here and refresh. OMG, it's behaving oppositely, it is not as an expected. Okay, so here slide out, here it is saying in, and here it is saying out. Okay, we need to change this also. in. Okay, now if I refresh, okay, can you see guys, the animation is working perfect. Now let's style our login form. Okay, now I will come here and I will provide here one more property like 20 pixel for an smooth. Okay, now border radius is also, sorry, box shadow is also coming perfect. Okay, now what next is our form. Okay, now I will give the classes to these, and I will, okay, so first I will give class name to this as form container. Okay, style dot form, container, form container. And after that we need to give class name as style dot login form, login form. After that this will be our h1 tag, and input tags we will not give any styling. Okay, first we will style these two. Okay, come here just below to this and hit enter, dot control v. Okay, now let's have a look. Now the issues what we are facing, if I refresh it, can you see this login form is also coming from this side. So first we will make its position as absolute. Okay, absolute. After that now I will make its display as flex, so that okay, display flex. Now I want its width to be 50 vw, so that it shouldn't cover the whole screen, or it shouldn't cover the small portion of the screen. Okay, we want it on the right side, so I will make its right as 0, and align item and justify content as center. Align item as center, justify content as center. Okay, and now next is we have our login form, correct? Now let's come here and we will copy the css, but before this, okay, it had came in center. Now let's style the login form also. I will come here and catch the css. So I will make here first padding. I need padding because padding is really important here, and this will be 3%. I want border radius to be 2 pixel solid, maybe solid. Okay, solid. Sorry, first pixels will be the solid. One sec, guys. It should be border 2 pixels solid gray. After that, I want border radius to be 1 rem, and box shadow. Okay, I will copy the box shadow from the top. The same box shadow I will provide to my form also. Done. Now if I come here and can you see guys, it's looking really cool. If I refresh, it will not move from its place, it will be stuck. Okay, just because of position absolute. You can make position sticky or position fixed also. Okay, these are some other ways. Now we have one heading, h1 tag. H1 is for login. Okay, now let's make things perfect. I will come here and login form, and inside login form I have one h1 tag. So I will change its font size a little bit to 2 rem, and font weight will be bolder. Okay, now next color will be uh, uh, okay. So guys, one more thing. What I want I want this one color to be okay. I will copy this, and I will keep this color as in my global.css. We will use the global.css. Okay, I will come here and I will do theme, theam color. Okay, color, theme color will be control v, and this. Okay, I will copy this also and I will paste inside the dark one also. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy this and I will come in my css file. I will one sec. Okay, I will remove this and I will do where, and I will paste it here. Okay, like this. Now same thing I will do for this also, varchar, and enter. I will paste the theme. Now the color will be applied as it is, it will not change. Okay, color has been applied. Now next Guys, now next, what do you think what we are going to do? So do you know that we have our input tags, okay, and we have kept our input tag inside our common element. So we will come here and we will create one uh, file like common css. We will not make more files for css, okay. Co okay, just common dot module dot css. I will hit enter. I will come here and I will import the css, guys. First of all, I will do import, sorry, import styles from, by the way, name you can keep whatever you want, okay, that doesn't matter while. Okay, now common module dot css. Now I will come here and I will get this, how I can style, sorry, class name, my bad. Class name will be mm, 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 style dot int ut, or I can say let star input, okay. I will select it and I will come here dot control v, sorry, input. I will hit enter. Now first of all, guys, for input tag, what I want, I will say I need width. I want its width to be 100%. I not want anything for this. So now I want a border also, okay. Border will be none. After that, background color, uh this is an input field, so background color I will kept right now in my global.css. Input, like input bg, and I will kept it as ef 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 ef, okay, and this will be our bg color. I will select it, I will kept it here, okay, and I will copy this. I will select it. Now I will come here and I will say here varchar control v. Now if I come here and try to see, we are getting an awesome, we are getting. Now next, what we want after background padding we will say padding we need of 10 pixel, okay, 10 pixel padding, and border radius is 5 pixel or something else, okay. Border radius is 5 pixel, and outline will be, sorry, outline will be none. Okay, cool, perfect, looking fine. Now let's perfect, we are getting the perfect output as we want to. Okay, now we will start, like we will style our login. Now I will the button, okay, so I will import same styles, import styles from dot slash common, and button I will catch here, and I will say class name to be styles dot let star button. Wow, it's giving suggestion of component name itself. And what I want for button, I want its width to be 100%, okay, 100%. Next, border should be none. Border, one sec, border should be none. I want border radius as 5 pixel. I want padding to be 10 pixel, same as an input tag. Background color we want of theme. So what I will do for this, what I will do for this, I will come here, I will get the this one background color, control C, and common css, and I will paste it here, okay. After the background, I want its color to be white, okay. Whether whether the theme is dark or whether the theme is light, that doesn't matter. The color of button, like, not, we not want, okay. We will set it color to be white, and after that we want its font weight to be bolder. Let's refresh. We are getting an error. Okay, perfect, we are getting the perfect look, perfect output. Okay, now we will style a little bit for these also. Do you have an account? Sign up. Okay, so what I will do, okay, I will come here, I will come to my here, and now I will remove this. You will say, why are you removing these divs? Are you crazy? You will come to know, just little wait for a sec. Now these were the things that we have provided, like default. One sec. These are the things we have provided the default. Now what we want that yeah, why it's taking that much width? Do we have done something wrong? No, we have not done anything wrong. Everything is perfect. Okay, we will come to our common component, css, and width we are saying the same. Now what I want, I will set my width here, to my form container. Instead of form container, I will set here width to be 300 pixel. What do you think, guys? Will this fine? Will this work? Even refresh. Okay, it's working, but what I want, instead of I want it to be 350 so that it can look a little bit cool. Now after that, I want yeah, I'm not providing a display form. Okay, I will say here display, sorry, display to be flex, and flex direction to be column, and a line item to be center, and justify content also to be center. So what with this, what will happen if I refresh it? So the elements like text, buttons, login text, this had came in center. Okay, now next, the next target is our input text. So I will catch the login form, and inside login form input tags are there. Input tags. Now you are saying input tags, but input tags are not there. You have defined input tags in another file. So if you inspect them and see now, the input are here only. We are importing from somewhere, but inputs are here. So we will provide here padding, will be of like instead of padding, sorry, instead of padding we will provide here margin of 20% and 0. If I come here and omg, it's like, what have you done? Okay, remove 20% and that will be pixel. Okay, looking cool, perfect, and it's really looking fine. Now if I do forgot password, okay, now let's style the forgot password also. So we have one span tag login form, and inside a login form we have one span tag, and display we will make here sorry, display we will make here flex. So why we need to make it flex? uh, let it get refreshed. I will tell you. So can you see that this one text we have get it in single line? So for this we are making it as a display flex. Okay, okay, now next, a line item and is in center. Okay, now next we have our some p tags also, correct? So p tags, and after that p tag, okay, currently up to here only p tag, and there are some a tags also instead of p tags. Okay, for the now margin will be same 10 pixel. Okay, and from top, like left right 0. After that color will be like font color. So what I will do, guys, right now I will again come back to my this one file, and I will set here text color, text color, and currently it will be black, not hashtag, black. Okay, and I will use this. Sorry, first of all I need to make for dark theme also. Guys, these are the dark themes. It's too simple. We will look in some other video how we can change this. Okay, now I will, where I was, okay, I was here. I will make here color as varchar. Okay, perfect. Now if I come here, okay, color is perfectly looking black. Now we have one p, and we have p inside one span tag also, dot to login form, span and p. Okay, we have one p tag also. Now we have text decoration to be none. After that, cursor should be pointer. So y pointer will let you know, uh, pointer. Okay, now next, font weight. Okay, font weight to be bolder. If I refresh right now, can you see it's looking perfect? But right now if I click on these, nothing will happen. If I'm clicking, nothing will happen. But if I refresh, animation is really cool. If I click on forgot or something else, it will not work. So we will make some changes for this. Okay, we will come here to our page.jsx file, and here we will make one function. Okay, const uh, handle navigation navigation and arrow function. Okay, we have created it. Now what we want to, we will get a path here, path. Okay, now what we want, on click we need to call this function. Okay, on click, and how we can call this, I will make here and handle navigation. This is in function, and I need to pass here some path. Okay, now same I want to do implement the same when I click on sign up here. Okay, but at this time I need to redirect the user to specific page. Okay, so I will do auth auth/login, sorry, sign up, signup. Okay, sign up. Basically we have not created the page, but in future videos we will create it. Okay, now here what I want to, I want to redirect the user. So I will, first of all I will, for like in Next.js we need routes to redirect. So I will make here const route is equals to use router. So use router will come from use navigation, and that's it. After that I will say that route dot prefetch the path. Means when we call, you can start fetching the path. And after that I want that once the animation is finished, but before that I want to set it true, so that our animation starts and move to the expected output true. Now I want that once the animation is finished, then redirect me to the specific path. Okay, set a time out, and this will be an arrow function. Okay, now this will take a millisecond, so I will provide here 800 millisecond. So as a like 1 millisecond is there, it will push us to a specific path. Okay, so I will say route dot push, and I will get pushed to the path, whatever the path I am getting in a form of parameter. Okay, so if I refresh just right now, then I am getting the perfect animation and the perfect login page. And if I click on this sign up, I am getting a proper animation, but the animation didn't happen completely because it has redirected me to the this one page. Now that's all guys in this video for login page. We will start creating the sign up page in next video, and stay tuned with this playlist. The playlist will go to beyond what we think. So stay tuned and stay connected with us. If you like this video, if you feel that it's really helpful, please support us. We are here to help you. Thanks guys. Bye.